Sow Farms versus Taron Frame. And Dominique Fitzgerald.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon. Who do I have here?
Taron Frame.
Dominique Fitzgerald.
I was going to talk about the big people. Who are the I'm talking about the important ones.
We got Luca Fitzgerald and Jade Fitzgerald.
Okay. Oh, look at that. How old is the little bit?
She's gonna be 6 months on the 8th. Well,
Yeah.
Hair at my heartstrings.
Yeah. Oh, those are two cuties.
Thank you.
That's cool.
Thank God they didn't take after Dad. All right. Just thought I'd throw that in there. All right, where are we on this case?
With cost, Your Honor, $4,310.55.
All right, folks, how are you thinking you're gonna get this paid?
So we touched last time, I'm still waiting on my tax return. It said on the 19th, they had to verify my identity. I did.
Right.
On the 19th, they said I didn't see any money to resubmit that claim or to submit a claim. So I did do that, as well as picked up a couple jobs.
Okay.
So whether it comes or not, we'll be able to catch up. I mean, it's tax money, so it can be here, right?
Pardon?
Tax money though, so it should come, as well as
Okay.
I do have a text message from my insurance company approving the payout for my accident. So I don't know how long that'll take to get to me, but they're giving me $14,000 for my accident as well. So
Okay, but you don't know when.
I was hoping to be able to get an adjournment. But
Well, the problem with an adjournment case is that your July rent will kick in,
Mhm.
and then that just increases the balance.
Right.
Okay. Let me take your tax return. Would your tax return be here by? Well, let me ask this. You don't know about the payout. I get that.
Right.
But your tax return, you think you get that by the 15th or mid-July?
Yes.
Pardon?
They gave me was it should be there by the 18th. So I should be able to get
That's what the tax folks told you?
IRS. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah.
No, of course, they always tell the
I
truth.
filed in March.
Yeah.
All right.
Also apply for benefits to SER. They had wrong information, so we reapplied and I sent that application copy of it to the court also.
Okay, yes, I do see that. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna find no trouble. I'll explain why I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna issue a judgment for the 431055. What that does is that doesn't include July. Okay, so I'm trying to fix the number. All right. So I'll grant that judgment. And because you guys have a plan, you're just waiting on everybody else.
I've stopped waiting. I'm acting now.
No, I got you. So, in terms of your job, there's funds you can give.
Yeah.
Okay. So I suggest that you start paying the landlord as best you can. I will extend the writ date in this case to July 17th. I think that's that Friday.
Your Honor, I object to that without the July rent being included. The balance is so high already, and it's gonna go up another.
I see no, I got you.
Almost 2,000 on 7/1.
How much?
The rent
How much is?
Sorry, just
Go ahead.
$16.99. There's a $45 pet fee, and the water sewer charges combined for July are at $150. So we're at, around $1,900 is going to get tacked on as of July 1.
That's fine. That's fine.
Well, we've got to talk to the park about that. Okay. Apparently there's a pet fee. We should have a pet fee. He's a service animal.
Pardon?
We have a service animal. So she said pet fee, but we'll talk to the park.
We'll talk to the park about that. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change this a little bit. You'll have to pay your July rent.
Okay.
By that date. But I mean, the problem is, how much is your return supposed to be?
Fed $10,917.
from the IRS.
Yes.
Okay,
That I'm also waiting for is $5,212, as well as a $14,000 insurance check.
okay, you just got all this money just waiting. It's on you. No, I hear you. So,
Your Honor, I am so sorry. I misspoke. I was looking at the wrong ledger. So for Ms. Frame and the rent is $16.99. The water and sewer charges are actually higher than that. There's no pet fee. I was looking at the wrong ledger. There is no pet fee on there. So their
So
water
here-
and sewer for July is $83.77 and $94.60. So $178.37 plus the $16.99. It's still pretty close. It's $18.77 that gets tacked on.
got it. Okay, so here's what I'll do. An extension you can place under further orders. I guess for giving the additional time, in consideration for giving the additional time of the additional 10 days, that they will also pay July rent by that same date of the 17th.
Okay.
Okay, got that? So this would have to be paid plus your July rent. And we just have to hope a check comes in, right?
I'll make some shake.
Some type of check could come in, but I'd also suggest that what you do is just continue to pay.
Question about that because
Yeah.
with Sun Communities as a whole, they don't let you put any partial payment into the portal. How
They don't accept partial payment in the portal?
The portal doesn't have a mechanism for doing a partial payment, is my understanding, Your Honor. They will take partial payment if it's in the form of a money order or a certified check.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so get that into them, do the partial payments. So that even though you're expecting a big check, you could at least whittle this down.
Yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
all right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye, little one.
Have a good holiday, Your Honor.
You do the same.
She was trying to blackmail you. She said if you pay her the 500, then she was gonna drop the child support. She wanted to pocket that money. She was trying to milk you. I'm her father, but I wouldn't want to see my granddaughter raised by her. What's she trying to do to
So,
you?
Mr. Bell, your child is Miss Montgomery?
That's right, ma'am. That's
Okay.
right, Judge.